So this is Mike Davis, who's going to make some, how do you call this, Mike?
Ground bait.
Ground bait.
Yeah. Basically it's oats and cocoa and smelly shit. But the fish love it.
I think we're going to have to censor that that part there, Mr. Mr. Davis. So we actually see the mix of corn and
it's like oats
and all kinds of flavorings.
That's cocoa. It smells like chocolate.
It does smell like chocolate. Oh, sorry. So here's a chef at work.
Yeah. Delicious.
And he's going to add some flavoring in there. That's actually a mixture of all sorts of censored again. Beef,
corn water.
corn water.
Have you got kids cooking?
No, not yet.
I hate when people come and fish like this. No respect. Hey, careful, our lines are there.
Wow.
Right there.
Right there. Ooh, that should be good.
So actually Mike is going to make some balls out of this mixture.
Just chuck that.
And then we're actually going to use a slingshot and actually you're not using the slingshot, right, Mike?
No, for these we just chuck them in.
If you're fishing at distance, you make smaller balls. You make them a lot harder and use your slingshot.
That's fishing right over our line.
No, he's not. If he does it again, he'll go in the water.
Now let's do soft.
So you just basically just want like some kind of moist mixture.
Yeah, so it doesn't break up when it hits the water. If it just breaks up, it just makes a cloud. It doesn't hit the deck.
Sure.